Hi everyone, I'm the Chef Dwight, and today I'll be making chunky cheese potato pie. So the first thing I do, I get 5 pounds of potato and I dice them. I grab a pot with hot water and I put my potato in. I let my potato cook for 18 to 20 minutes. So now that my potato is cooking, I'm gonna put 10 ounces of unsalted butter in a pot. Now that my butter is melted, I'm gonna put a cup and a half of grated onion, chopped onion. And I'm gonna saute for about a minute or two. And medium high. So after 2 minutes, I put a cup and a half green pepper. And saute for another 2 minutes. Also 2 stalks of scallions. After 2 minutes, I'm gonna add 1/3 cup flour. And mix. I'm gonna mix continually to cook the raw flour, about 2 minutes. Yes, you wanna whip your flour like this until it form a roux, like a paste. Keep whisking your flour in so it form a roux. So it's about 18 minutes and my potatoes are cooked. I'm just gonna drain. Okay, now that it's formed a roux, like so, I am gonna pour 3 cups of milk, but I'm gonna pour it slowly and combine. So as you notice, I put my stove on low and I keep adding the milk a bit at a time because you don't want no lumps. You want to, the flour that you put in it, you want to get it dissolved. At this moment, look at it. So I keep whisking to get all the lumps out. I want everything to be smooth. So I keep whisking on low heat. So now you want to know that your sauce is finished cooking? Look at the back of my spoon and touch it like that. See? Yeah, it coat the back of the spoon. So now I'm going to put ½ teaspoon of black pepper. ¼ teaspoon paprika. 1 teaspoon onion powder. Also 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. And I mix and combine everything together. I'm gonna also just give it a whisk to make sure everything is combined properly and evenly. At this stage, I'm gonna put 1 cup of cheddar cheese. And mix. When all the cheese is melted, we can start making our pie. At this stage, I put my stove on 375 and I add my potatoes to my sauce and mix. Now I get my baking dish, pour some oil in it, and make sure you get oil all over. Make sure all your potato is coated with the sauce. Like so. And now the next step, we're gonna pour our potato in the dish, like so. Like so. Make sure you get everything. Make sure you get everything in there. I'm making sure everything is even. And then last but not least, I'm gonna just put some grated cheese over the top, like so. Wow.
Looking good.
Already. Over the top, like so. And you could use as much cheese as you want. Don't be afraid. Yeah. If you need more cheese, go ahead. Put some more. So now that everything is done, I'm gonna put it in the oven for 45 minutes. And 375. So after 45 minutes, my pie is, let's look. Oh yeah, my pie is ready. Look at it. And I'm gonna let it cool off for half an hour, then cut into it. Okay folks, moment of truth. Wow, you see that?
Yeah.
Looking good. Moment of truth.
It's nice, nice, nice.
Okay, let's taste into it. Wow, look at that. Mmm, delicioso. Here's my chunky cheese potato pie. I hope you learned something on how to make this recipe. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one.